Hello guys, and once again welcome to Sementia Farms. And as usual, my name is Fred. Today I am with Robert. You guys remember Robert, right? My father-in-law. I have come to his hometown and he's going to show me around. But knowing what we do on this channel, he's going to expose us to some massive agricultural projects that is going on here. Robert, where are we going today?
Today we want to see the sheep in the field.
So Robert is going to take us to some of the field where there are some sheep and different livestock. We don't really know what we're going to see, but I think anything that is done here is done on a massive scale. And to me, when I'm in an environment like this, I like to see and gain some motivation. So hopefully you also gain some motivation from this. So join with us as Robert and I head to the field and see what we can find. We are going to take you on this journey. So let's go. Guys, so we just pulled over because Roberto has something to show us. I hope you enjoyed the ride that I had because I enjoyed it. It was very fun hearing Roberto talk about agriculture and how things are done here in his hometown. It is very amazing what I'm seeing right now because what we're looking at is about 1,500 or 1,500 sheep that are just feeding on a field. And Roberto is going to take me around and really show me what is going on here. As you can see, these sheep are grazing. And according to Roberto, they have actually been transported from a town called Wyoming. Those of you in the US or those of you that have a proper geographical sense will understand where Wyoming is. But they have been transported from Wyoming to the southern part of California just to find greener pastures, right? So according to Robert, mostly from September all the way to March, the animals are brought down here to California where they can get greener pastures. When I was in school, or even in the Bible, we talked about greener pastures. This is what it looks like, because if you go to Wyoming in December like this, it will all be full of snow, right? So today I'm going to show you guys what these guys are actually doing here in California, because it is very mind-blowing to see 1,500 sheep at one place being taken care of. As you can see, as we get closer, they move a bit further. But at the moment, they are drinking water, and you can see that they have this old tank on a truck that is really supplying them water, because these sheep are moving around. Right, they have to carry that with water and be able to supply them. Again, what Robert was telling me was that this field doesn't even belong to the owners of the sheep. This field belongs to owners who just process cattle feed. But during this time, they know that the people will be bringing their sheep from Wyoming, so they leave the field and they charge them per each sheep to graze there. So these guys are going to graze here for maybe a week, and once they finish grazing everything on this land, they will move to a different land. And just seeing the magnitude of how much people are investing into agriculture really inspires me. And that's why when I travel like this, I like to share some of these details with you guys as well, so that you can be motivated. This is what we call intensive farming. You see, there are roads all around this, but you don't see any animal crossing. They have kept them nicely and are feeding them. And I want all of us to learn from this, because this year, this is the goal. We are innovating and we are making livestock farming more attractive than ever. I always try my best to motivate you, to share with you what I find when I travel and move around. Today, I came across sheep, 1,500 sheep that are just grazing on a dedicated field that has specially been prepared for them. That is the takeaway today. 1,500 sheep, whether you're thinking about cattle, whether you're thinking about goat, whether you're thinking about sheep, whatever animal you're thinking about, think about scalability. And when you think about scalability, then you have to think about feeding, pasture. If you have this land, probably you'll be thinking about building a house or something. This is a field dedicated to be able to scale livestock. So if you're wherever you are in Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Botswana, Ethiopia, Kenya, wherever, and you're thinking about going into livestock, this is what people in the Western region are doing. So I want to encourage you. I am encouraged. I am inspired, right? But I want to encourage you guys as well to think towards that scalability, that innovation. Let's set ourselves apart. Let's invest, and I know that we will reap and we'll be able to save the insecurity when it comes to food on our continent. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.